We'll guide you through how to upload videos on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you upload videos on TikTok, you may want to go and share it with just your followers, or you may want to go and share it with everyone. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure you watch this full video so you know what to do step by step. So to get started, you can come onto TikTok as you already are here. If you haven't already, go and create an account. Then what you can do is go to the bottom right and press profile. So at the end, you have your video showing up here. Now what you can do is come down to the middle at the bottom and you can go and press that plus button. This is the create button. What you want to do is go down to the middle at the bottom and you can go and select post. Now what you can do is just above the red shutter button or recording button, you can go and choose the length here, 15, 60 or 10, and you can go and start recording now like so. You can go and record right now. In this case though, we're going to be uploading an existing video we've already got in our camera roll. So I'll go and press back and just go and discard that. So what you can do to open up your gallery and camera roll is press the button in the bottom left. You'll need to go and give permission for it to go and access this here. Then what you can do is go and select the video or videos you want to do this with, as you can do it with multiple if you want to. Then what you can do is in the bottom right is go and press next like so, and here it is here. So we can now go and start editing it. By default, it may go and add a song, which we can go and remove at the top here, or sound, I should say. You can press add sound and go and search when you want as well. For example, you could go and select this one here. We'll go and show you how you can adjust this in a moment. So with it selected, you can press volume at the bottom and you're going to have the original, which is the video you've added, and then the sound. The sound may go and drown it out, so you can go and decrease it all the way down like so and press done. And then you can go and press the trim button to the right as well if you want to go and use a certain section of it like this. Now what you can do is go over to the right, you can go and press the arrow pointing down at the bottom and you'll see all these different options. What I like to do is go and press edit in the top like so, and then it goes and makes it easier to go and edit as we go and get the timeline at the bottom. So what you can then do is if you want to go and tap on the video, you can go and trim the start and end point as you can see. If you want to go and remove a part of it in the middle, choose where you want to go and start removing it from. Then make sure the playback cursor is there, the white line, and press split, it'll make a split. Choose where you're at the point where you want it to go and then stop being removed, press split, and you've now got this section here and you can select it and press delete. Once you've done that, you could go and tap on the transition if you wanted to and go and choose what you want it to be. In this case though, I don't want anything there, so I'll press that no button in the top left of the section and it'll then just go and instantly go and move on, as you can see. So you can go and get to sound at the bottom, you can press text and go and start adding text on the screen, add effects. You can press magic, add captions, can go make it easy for people to go and see what you're saying. You can go through and edit them as well. At the bottom, change the language, style, format, and you can remove words as well. And then at the bottom, you can go and continue, and that's it. So then when it comes to actually posting it, you can go down and you can go and press next at the bottom. Then what you can do is you can go and add a description, basically a caption. You can add a location if you want. You can go and add a link. And now you can choose who can go and see it. So at the moment it's set to everyone. You may want to only so your friends could see or only you. Then what you can do is go and press more options. And what I like to do is make sure we switch on allow high quality uploads. Then when you're ready, you can press post. Now you can go and see it on your profile. Leave a like if you found this useful.